Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give any number, and then our program will determine the first and then the last number using Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestion. I would like to shout out my friend Tom, Sir Raymel, Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Robelino. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video tutorial and then put shout out. Okay, so let's begin. I'm using PyCharm in writing this program. So we have here a series of comments here. Okay, so we have here first underscore last.py created by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maid IT, MIT. And then I have two websites where you can download complete source code for free in all my tutorial here in my YouTube channel. The first one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.com. Presently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, IT consultancy, software development, software testing, web development, mobile development. You can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Programming projects, programming assignments in schools, so just drop me an email. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here import math, print the title of our program, first and last number in Python, num_val, give any number. So normally input is a string, so we will convert into integer. Last equals num_val %10, while num_val greater than or equals to 10, num_val equals num_var over 10, print, and then display print first digit, comma math.trunc, because we don't want any decimal value, open in close parentheses, num_val, and then the last digit, comma last, and then print, and then end of program, print. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, so right now the program is running, first and last number in Python. Let's say we have here 1956. The first digit is 1, the last digit is 6, end of program. Let us run again. 1978. First digit is 1, last digit is 8, end of program. Last example, 2022. So the first digit is 2, the last digit is 2 also, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on first and last number in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.